Hello everyone, so today I will install offline XenServer 8 updates. So this is a new release, at least a new release for the Xen Center. So they released it on 5th on December, and I was going through the new features and I saw this information. So it seems that they finally done an update, so we can update the our hosts, our pools, our environment offline, so we do not need to have an internet connection. And today I will do the update via the Xen Center. I've updated my Xen Center to the latest version, so I have 2024.4. And I have downloaded the bundles because the bundles are here. XenServer download and bundles for offline deployments. I've downloaded all 4, and in this video I will install this one, not the latest one, because I will create another video on how to install these updates with Ansible, because you know me, I like Ansible. So let's actually do it. So I've downloaded this, and let's start an update. I've never done it before this video, so let's see how it will go. For this to work, you will need to have the latest version of XenServer that you can download from their web page. So you need this one. So you need to download the release from 7th of October. In the other releases, you will not have it will not be compatible, so you will not be able to install the updates. So this is why I've installed is it the same? Let's see, update. I don't see any. Okay, no problem. I didn't even configure the updates, but let's see how it works. So not from here, from tools, install updates. We go with XenServer 8. Next we go with offline bundles, and we need to select one of them. Let's see, this one, I believe that's the oldest one. Okay, open, next, and we should be able to, why not? You need to switch to offline updates before you can, okay. Okay, let's see what we need to do. Tools, change updates. Aha, so the channel is offline. Okay, so apply. No, we don't want to do that from there. Let's see one more time. Configure updates. Okay, maybe if I select yes, then it will ask me for the bundles directly, but we want to do it the normal way. So configure, install updates. Okay, one more time. Let's see. Bundle 30. Okay, and next. Okay, now we are in business. Go next, and let's see. From the size of the bundles, I believe they contain all the hotfixes, so we no longer see those 2-3 megabytes hotfixes, they push everything here in those bundles. I'm not 100% sure, but I believe so, because the size is growing. Okay, let's go back. Okay, so the upload was successful. Okay, let's go next. What do we want to do? Everything full effect and consider. Okay, if we give them for full effect, then it will reboot by themselves, but we don't want to do that, so let's leave it like this. Next. Okay, checking is complete. Next. Okay, so we can see the progress here. So it's doing Xen, the pool master first, as usual. Personally, I'm really happy that they finally done the offline update, because with that online update you cannot really keep an infrastructure at the same version. If you have a big infrastructure and you need 1 or 2 months to update it, you cannot do it only with offline updates. Okay, so it's restarting tool stack. Will it auto reconnect? It should. Okay, I will pause the video because this will take some time, and I will get back when this is reconnected. Okay, so the connection is back. It's now installing on host number 2, that's Xen09. And I don't believe it will take too much. Okay, so 09 is done. We are at the last one. Okay, restarting the tool stack. Okay, it was done. Okay, finish. Let's see. Okay, so we are pending a reboot. As usual, the first that we reboot after an update is the pool master. We wait for it to be back online, and then we reboot the slaves or the pool members. Okay, so the pool master is back online. Now let's restart the members, and until they restart, let's see the checksum if it's the same from the 33B60. Is it 33b60? Okay, so it seems to work. Okay, so I need to get familiar with this, with the update channel offline bundles. Okay, if we click here, bundle last update. Okay. Okay, so those are just shortcuts. Okay, are they restarting? Yes. Yes. Okay, so I believe this was it for this video. I will create another video and we will see how we can do this via command line, of course, through Ansible. Thank you for watching, and thank you XenServer for the offline update feature. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I always forget to tell that to the end of my videos.